But you should know that this is more like awareness raising, so we will cover all topics which should be in a regulation, but the agency have standard program, 1 or 2 week programs for every topic. So in this case, we would like to give you such a very interesting, but from the other point of view, a little bit high level overview. That's why I think that it will be also useful for those representatives who are representing operators and not competent authorities, but also will be useful for the competent authorities.
We are very grateful to have you here today and for the 3 days. We are very grateful to the IAEA for the support that you are providing us into the nuclear and radiation sector. It's a new sector to Rwanda, but we are willing to advance as quick as possible, and we need to have the regulations and the procedures that are in line with the IAEA guidelines and regulations. For this training, we are keen to build our capacity into the nuclear area. So we are very happy to have you here. We are very happy to have you as expert, and we are expecting to have your knowledge staying here, staying into those participants. So I think the training will be very fruitful for all of us. We are willing to have the knowledge, we are willing to have the capacity, and we have experts here. So we have to do all our possible to be attentive, to be participant, and to ask questions so that the training be a participatory exercise.